Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to knit this beautiful border. Look at this border, I like it so much. It can be used for shawls, scarves, blankets, baby dresses, skirts. I've done a couple of samples to show you how it looks. This is a 100% cotton yarn. And this is cotton plus viscose. The light pink is 100% acrylic, and one more it's 100% wool. So it looks amazing in any yarn. So let's get started. Now for this border you need to cast on any number of stitches that is divisible by 8 plus 1. So I cast on 25 stitches. So let's get started. The first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, so I simply slip it. The next 7 stitches, you knit next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next stitch you slip one with the yarn in back. You slip one with the yarn in back. Then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you slip one with the yarn in back. And repeat one more time. Six, 7, and slip the last one with the yarn in back. That's the way it looks. Turn. Slip the first stitch and repeat everything. You need 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you slip one with yarn in front and repeat. And you slip one with yarn in front and repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and slip with one with yarn in front. That's how it looks. Row number 3. So you slip the first stitch, and now you're going to make a yarn over twice. So you insert it, so it's a basically like you knit, but you make yarn over twice. You insert your needle as to knit, yarn over twice, and pull the yarn through the stitch. Like this you have 2 loops. on your needle. Yarn over twice. We are doing it because in the next row we are going to make extended knit stitches. So you have to have 7 extended knit stitches, and now you're going to slip one with the yarn in back and repeat 7 extended stitches, knit stitches, and slip one with yarn in back. Slip one with yarn in back, and the last time repeat. Yarn over twice and slip the last stitch. So next row we are going to knit first stitch, not slip as we did before, but knit. So what we're going to do now, we're going to turn the work and yarn under the needle, and now we're going to make 3 stitches from one. So you insert your needle as to knit and do not slip all stitch of the needle, but place new loop on the left hand needle. Now you have one new stitch. Now you repeat again. So you insert as to knit, and then you make one more new stitch from the previous stitch. So now you made 3 stitches from one. 3 stitches from one. Now we are going to knit 7 extended stitches, so you pick up only one loop and make the second loop fall down. Pick up one loop and make the second loop fall down. So count, then you return them back to the left hand needle and purl 7 together. Please count them. You purl 7 together. Okay, pull the yarn. Now you turn and you're going to make again 3 stitches from one. Insert as to knit and do not slip all stitch of the needle. Place new loop on the left hand needle and you made first new stitch. Then you repeat everything again for second stitch and one more third stitch. So you made 3 new stitches from one. Next stitch you are going to purl next stitch. That's basically it. Now you turn your work again and you make 3 new stitches from this purl stitch. So do not slip all stitch and place new loop on the left hand needle. So like this we decreased, we made purl 7 together, and doing this we back our stitches. Now pick up only one loop and make the second loop fall down. Return, place back all 7. You see they are extended, they are long. Pull and now turn and make 3 from this one. Okay, the third one, so we have 4 in total. Turn and purl 1, then turn again and make 3. Third one. Okay, now pick up and make the second loop fall down. Return them back. Slip them back. Now it's a bit tricky sometimes. Okay, now you turn again and make 3 new stitches. And the third one, and the last stitch you simply purl. So that's basically it. This is the way it looks, but I would like to knit 2 more rows for you to see it a little bit better how it looks. So simply I slip first stitch and knit all other stitches till the end. It can be a little bit hard. So you knit all stitches across. Till the end, till the end, knit till the end. Okay, and the last. And the last stitch I purl as a selvage stitch. And the next round you purl all stitches. So this border looks great when you are using stockinette stitch after, but it may be something else for sure. Till the end, purl, purl till the end. That's it. And looks great. I like it so much in this color. That's the sample I've done before. This is 32 stitches plus 1, 33 stitches in total. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel.